Welcome, friends. Today we will learn about the sentences related to a visit to a restaurant. Let's go and check out Hindi to English version of it. कल हम खाना खाने बाहर गए थे. Yesterday we went outside to eat. हमने बहुत अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट चुना. We chose a very good restaurant. वहाँ अंदर जाते ही ऐसा लगा कि हम 5-star होटल में आ गए. The minute we stepped inside, it felt like we have entered a 5-star hotel. वहाँ की लाइट्स की चमक ही अलग थी. The spark of lights was amazingly different. कुर्सियाँ बहुत सॉफ्ट थी और सजावट भी काफी रंगीन थी. The chairs were very soft and decoration was colorful. खाने का मेन्यू भी कमाल था, हर चीज थी वहाँ. The menu was amazing, everything was on the list. उस तरह के रेस्टोरेंट हर जगह नहीं होते. That type of restaurant doesn't exist everywhere. खाने के तो क्या कहने, खाना मुंह में मक्खन की तरह घुल जाता है. How much praise I do for food. Food melts like butter inside the mouth. कर्मचारियों का व्यवहार भी बहुत अच्छा था. Behavior of staff was also nice. अब मैं वहाँ ही अपनी पार्टियाँ करूँगा. From now onwards, I will organize the parties there. Hope you like this video from Hindi to English related to a visit to a restaurant. Please subscribe the channel for more videos so that you can come to know about more situation and sentences. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe.